What if the key to having a child was hidden in plain sight, but invisible to doctors, until artificial intelligence stepped in? This isn't science fiction. It's the story of how AI uncovered hidden sperm in a man thought to be infertile, leading to the birth of a healthy baby after 18 years of failed attempts. Today, we're diving deep into how this breakthrough happened, the technology behind it, and what it means for the future of fertility and human reproduction. The struggle of infertility. Infertility affects millions of couples worldwide. In fact, around 1 in 8 couples experience difficulties conceiving. For men, one of the most challenging diagnoses is non-obstructive azoospermia condition, where little to no sperm is visible in semen samples. Traditionally, doctors spend hours searching through samples under a microscope, but often, the sperm are either too rare, too small, or too damaged to be identified. This leads many couples to believe their dream of having children is impossible. Imagine going through years of tests, procedures, and emotional pain, only to be told there is no hope. That was the reality for one couple, until AI changed everything. The breakthrough with STAR technology at Columbia University, scientists developed a system known as STAR, which stands for Sperm Tracking and Recovery. Using machine learning and advanced imaging, STAR scans thousands of microscopic images of semen samples in just minutes. It's trained to detect even the smallest signs of viable sperm that human eyes might completely miss. Where traditional methods often fail, STAR can find sperm hiding in plain sight. It's like having a digital detective that never gets tired, never blinks, and can process far more data than a human ever could. And the best part? It costs less than $3,000, which is significantly cheaper than many conventional fertility treatments that can cost tens of thousands of dollars. The couple's 18-year journey. One couple's story perfectly illustrates the power of this technology. For 18 long years, they struggled to conceive. They tried multiple treatments, consultations, and medical procedures, at time facing disappointment. Doctors told them it simply wasn't possible. But with STAR, something incredible happened. The AI detected a handful of healthy sperm hidden in the man's sample sperm that no doctor had ever been able to find before. Those few precious cells were enough. Through IVF, the sperm was used to fertilize an egg, leading to a successful pregnancy. And after nearly 2 decades of heartbreak, the couple finally welcomed their first child. Why this breakthrough matters? This discovery represents far more than just one success story. For countless men diagnosed as infertile, STAR technology offers new hope. Instead of turning to costly and invasive procedures, couples may soon have access to a faster, more affordable solution. It could also reduce the need for donor sperm, allowing couples to conceive children genetically related to both parents, something many families deeply desire. And beyond the financial aspect, this breakthrough has the power to change lives emotionally. For couples who have felt hopeless, STAR brings back possibility, dignity, and hope. The future of AI in fertility. So what does the future look like? Scientists believe that AI could soon become a standard tool in fertility clinics worldwide. As the algorithms improve, they may be able to detect not only hidden sperm, but also identify which ones are the most likely to lead to successful pregnancies. In addition, AI could speed up the entire IVF process, making it more efficient and more affordable. Imagine a world where infertility is no longer a barrier, and where AI helps millions of families realize their dream of having children. But with this progress also come questions. Ethical and social questions. Whenever AI enters sensitive areas of human life, important ethical debates follow. Should AI be trusted in matters as delicate as reproduction? Who is responsible if the AI makes a mistake? And what about access? Will this technology be available to everyone, or only to those who can afford it? Could this widen the gap between families who have access to advanced medical care and those who do not? Some even wonder, if AI can already find hidden sperm, what else could it do in reproductive science? From gene editing to artificial wombs, are we slowly crossing into unknown territory? These are questions society will need to answer as AI continues to reshape the most intimate parts of human life. The story of AI finding hidden sperm is more than a medical achievement. It's a reminder of how technology, when used responsibly, can bring hope where there was once despair. For one couple, it meant the birth of a child after 18 years of waiting. For millions of others, it represents a new frontier in fertility medicine. But it also forces us to ask, How far should we let AI go in shaping our future as humans? What do you think? Is this the future of fertility, or are we stepping into dangerous territory? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos to come.